On the one hand, where the vaccine for coronavirus is being talked about, an even more infectious strain of coronavirus has been detected in Malaysia, which according to experts is 10 times more infectious than coronavirus. The name given to this mutation is D614G. Mutation basically means change in its form. It means the genes of the virus must have undergone some changes. This news was confirmed by Malaysia's top health official in a Facebook post on August 15. A new mutation has been observed in this virus in Malaysia. And all of this happened when a restaurant owner, on returning from India, breached Malaysia's home quarantine rules and infected 45 other people. The man has since been sentenced to 5 months in prison and imposed fine. So when those 45 cases were being treated, it was observed that out of 45 samples, there was a considerable change in at least 3 samples, which was then called D614G. The same mutation was also seen in another cluster involving people returning from Philippines. According to Director General of Health, Mr. Noor Hisham Abdullah, this change, which was earlier seen spreading rapidly in some parts of America and Europe, this change in virus can mean that current studies on vaccine may be incomplete or ineffective. So people need to be more careful as this mutation is 10 times more infectious and spreads easily from one person to another. So where Malaysian officials says that the mutation spreads 10 times faster and can be easily transmitted by an individual super spreader, on the other hand, WHO hasn't found any evidence about such mutations and says that no confirmation has been found so far that this mutation of coronavirus leads to more severe infections. If the strain makes its way from the US to Malaysia, this way other countries could be at risk too, said Dr. Abdullah in a Facebook post. But I would say being more infectious and being more deadly are two different terms. And a president-elect of the International Society of Infectious Diseases said that evidence shows that with the spread of this mutation, they have observed a drop in death rates. Thus, it is less deadly. Although a drop in death rates have been observed, death rates have not vanished. So since this mutation in virus is more infectious and can be spread very easily, we need to be more careful now.